Hey guys, this is Austin from Partir. Today, I want to walk through how you can create your first trip and how you can get started planning it as well. So whenever you first log in into Partir, you'll be brought to this home page. You'll be given the option of creating your first trip if you know where we're going to go. If you don't know where we're going to go, you can explore some destinations. Today, we do know where we're going to go. We're going to go to France. We're going to call this our France trip. And we'll just say, let's go see the Eiffel Tower and other cool stuff. And then for today, we're just gonna pick a date range. I usually fly out on Wednesday because that's when flights are cheapest, so we'll do that. And there you go. Your trip has been created, and now you're able to plan it. So we have a lot of different tools within Partir to help you plan your trip. I'm gonna go through a couple of them today. My favorite by far is our readiness score. It's a really good metric to see how far along you've planned your trip. So you get different points based on different milestones. So if you've booked all of your lodgings for the trip, you can get 25 points. So that's pretty helpful to see just an overview of how far along your trip is coming. This is another helpful feature is having to-do lists. You can create as many lists as you want. What I like to do is create a list for each given day. Here's our day list. It's pretty boring right now because we don't have any activities planned for them. But this can be a really helpful preview whenever you've built out your trip. And down here is where you can add your lodgings whenever you've booked your hotels. We have places. You can add attractions to your trips, and then you can assign these places to events. And with that location information, you will see a map on a day, which gives a really good visual view of your route for a given day. I'll show you more about that later on. And then here you can share a link via email with friends and family, and then they can see your full itinerary, which is really helpful. Okay, let me go through one of the trips that I've planned with Bartier. Here's my trips. So this one has already been completed, but it's a really good example to show you. So as you can see, I had 73 points for this trip. A lot of those points come from bookings. I had lodging for all five non-travel days. And then you can see my to-do list for my opera day. So I'm gonna go see the Billy Budd show. I've already seen it, but I bought tickets. It's gonna be the Teacher Cologne. So I want to create an event for that. So let's see. I have Teacher Cologne as a place. I go to my itinerary, and this is the full trip itinerary. I want to go to the opera day, and then here you can see the map that I was talking about. I need to add the event to see the opera show. It's going to be later in the afternoon. So let's go and add this event. See, I've already done it. See Billy Budd show. It's going to be an attraction. We're going to add Teacher Cologne. Then we're going to scroll down here into the PMs, 4:45, and it could last till 8, so we're going to put that in there. Okay. As you can see, the event's been created. It could last over 3 hours, so that's helpful to know. And then if you scroll up here, you can see that the attraction has been added to the map as well. So hopefully that's been helpful, and I hope Parts here can help you with planning your next trip.